How to automatically enable driving mode when driving on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on mode and routines. So after click on modes and routine, you will see third option is driving. So click on driving. So after click on driving, you will see click on turn on automatically. So click on driving. So click on turn on automatically. So if you want to turn on automatically driving, so click on this plus icon. So after click on this plus icon, so you will see driving is enabled. So if you want to enable Android Auto, so click on this plus icon and click on connect. And if you want to connect Bluetooth, so click on this plus icon and click on done. So after connect, click on done. After the process, click on done. You will see automatically enable driving mode is enabled. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can automatically enable driving mode when driving to on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.